सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। येन धौता गिरः पुंसाम् विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहम् पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदी। हरि ओम। Last class we started Lang Lakara. We are seeing Pratyas. We skipped Lot Lakara for now. Here. Anadyatane Lang Lakara comes in the Bhuta, which is not Adyatana. So Anadyatana Bhutarthe Lang Syad Dhatu Lang Lakarasya or Lang Syad. Then Lang is replaced by Ittajji Siddhastha Migvasmastata and Jatasatam. So Ittajji Pratyas, Ting Pratyas we brought in the place of Lang. Now we have Ittajji Siddhastha Migvasmas. Again, there are few sutras which are particularly related to Lang Lakara. Those sutras we are applying to do the prakriya. As soon as we bring Ting Pratyas, they get this Saudhnya, Sarvadhatuka Saudhnya. By Tingshit Sarvadhatukam, Ting Pratyas are named as Sarvadhatuka. Shit are also named as Sarvadhatuka. Then, the Lakara we had brought in the Kartartha. So that was Kartrarthaka. Kartrarthaka, Sarvadhatuka Pratyas are there in front of Dhatu. That's why Shap comes in between them. Bhu, Dhana Shap, Dhana, Tiptaji, Siptastam, Vibhasmas. That state, up to this, we keep like this, and then further Prakriya we were doing to the Pratyas. Takara, this Ikara disappeared by this Itascha Sutra. Already yesterday. Itascha Sutra. Tasthastamipan Tantantama, this was another sutra. This sutra replaced 4 pratyas by 4 different adeshas. Those were Tas was replaced by Tam, Tas was replaced by Tam, Tha was replaced by Tha, and Mip was replaced by Okay? Remaining pratyas are as it is. Ikara disappeared by Itascha Sutra. Ikara disappeared from this Ik pratyaya, Ji pratyaya. Ji Jhakara was replaced by Ant by Jhontah Sutra. Ikara was removed by Itascha Sutra. From Sip also Ikara is removed. Now we have pratyas Ta, Tam, Ant, Sta, Tam, Ta, Vasmas. Now, Vasmas, this Sakara is there. This Sakara, though by Halantyam, the Lopa was Prapta, but does not disappear because it is the pratyas are having Vibhakti Saudhnya, na Vibhaktau Tusmaha. That which gets Vibhakti Saudhnya, the Antya Hal, Sakara, does not disappear. It does not get its Saudhnya, and since it does not get its Saudhnya, it does not disappear. However, here in this Lakara, Sakara, from this Was and Mas pratyas, do disappear. What is the Sutra? Let's read the Sutra. This is the Sutra. Nityang itaha, nityang itaha, nityang itaha, nityam nitaha. There is this in order, this let dhatu prakriya is going on in the Ashtadhyayi. There this Sakara disappears, sometimes does not disappear. So Anityatva is there. However, in Nit Lakara, Sakara will disappear always. That is the meaning. Sakarantasya niruttamasya nityam lopa asyat. Why nityam is mentioned? Because of that. The earlier, the Sakara lopa in the order is optionally going on. So here, it is made mandatory that always sakara will disappear for nit lakaras. So सकारान्तस्य निरुत्तमस्य उत्तमस्य उत्तमपुरुषस्य प्रत्ययस्य सकारस्य नित्यं लोपः स्यात्. So this was and must sakara will disappear. So finally we got va ma. This is what we have got. So ta tam ant ta tam ta va ma. That's it. Now prakriya, what we have to do is we have to bring akara everywhere. Bhu, Dhana, Shap. Now these pratyas we will bring. So tip was there, the lung came, was replaced by tip. Bhu, akara remained. Ta, ikara disappears by the sutra. Tascha. Then the usual prakriya. Bhu will become Vo. Ta is there. Ta is there. This happens because of सार्वधातु का अर्धधातु का जो हो भौ त Hechoyavayavah. Here, this one more sutra is there. We have to read. Yeah. So far, whatever sutras we applied are all related to pratyaya. So the pratyaya karya only we have done. So there is anga karya also. One anga karya is there for this nit pratyas. Let's read that sutra. Here is the sutra. 422. Lung lang rung svadudat taha. Lung lang rung svadudat taha. Lung lang rung svadudat taha. Lung, lang and rung. These are the three lakaras. For them, at comes. At as agama comes for these three lakaras. Now, when these lakaras, okay, the meaning goes like, when these lakaras are there, at agama happens to anga. Okay. At agama happens to anga when these lakaras are there in front of dhatu. So for now we have lang lakara. Eshu angasya at, that's it, vritti has been given. So eshu means eshu lakareshu pareshu satsu. Angasya, that is dhatu, at agamah syat, because it is tit adyantau takitau. So this will happen to adi. It will go and sit before dhatu. At bhav plus lung 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 padudatta. What is there? Form is ready. Takara will disappear. Remains as it is. Form is abhavat. Same prakriya we have to do for the rest of the pratyas. Bhu, dhana, tat. Anadyatane lang is replaced by tas by tiptaji. Now bhu, shap, tas. Shap comes by Rishabh. Then Bhu. Tas will be replaced by Tama. Now next step will be Bhu. Cho. Then Sutra. Lung lang lung is that at also miss at whatever the agama happens to dhatu while these lakaras are there. It is udatta also. Udatta word is there. That will be discussed in the prayojana will be in the swara prakriya. That time it is required. So that agama happens udatta. That's what we have to just remember. It happens and it is udatta. Abhavatam. Abhavat abhavatam. Bhu, Dhana, Ji. Here. That will come by Rishabh. Chonta. Then Ikara will.
So Ikara will go by Itascha.
Itascha. Then this Takara disappears by Sanyogantasya Lopa. We'll apply that sutra at the end. We'll complete the prakriya and then At will come by.
Long.
First we'll do Bhu and Arva. Bhu. Yechu. Avaha. At. Bhu. And now one the pada is ready. Now padantasya Sanyogantasya padasya lokasya. So takara will disappear. One final sutra will apply. संयोगान्तस्य लोपः. This form is clear?
जी.
भू धन स्टिप. भू धन शब्द धन स्टिप. कर्तरी शब्द भू अ ति. भू अ only sa ikara will disappear by itascha. Then सार्वधातुक अर्धधातुकयोः. Next will be that will come by lung lang rung padudattah. Now was akara turns into repa and then turns into visarga. We get form abhava. Next is bhu dhana thas. Thus is replaced by first shabd will come. Shabd will come by
कर्तरी शब्द.
thus will be replaced by
तम. तस्तस्तमीपं थातं तामः.
तस्थस्थमिपां तान्तं तामः.
antam thama. Next is
सार्वधातुक अर्धधातुकयोः.
सार्वधातुकयोः. Now but bhau tam lung lang rung padudattah. abhavatam. भू थ भू शब्द थ सूत्र
कर्तरी शब्द
शब्द th will be replaced by
तस्तस्तमीपं तान्तं तामः.
ताम.
then धना धनात्थ सार्वधातु सार्वधातुकयोः भौ थ त यचोयवायावः अट अट बाय
लुंग लंग
लुंग लंग लुंग छोड़ो जाता है अमिदेरी अवथा वो धना मिप वो धना शप धना मिप शप बाय
ऋषभ
ऋषभ वो धना धना सूत्र
हस्तमिपां तां तां तामः
हस्तमिपान्तमः भो धन धन
सार्वधातुक
सर्वधातुकार्धधातुसंयोः धन धन हेचो तवायावः पठ भौ सूत्र लुंग लंग लुंग पडुदात्ता here and one sandhi will take place that will be
अतोगुणे
adog form is ready abhavam वो धना वस शब भू धन शब धन वस replace कर्तरी शब्द here what will happen to us
us will become verb
replace नित्यंगितः युत्तमस्य सकारस्य नित्यं लोपः so that will disappear now this भो धन धन व by सार्वधातुक अर्धधातुकयोः भौ व हेचोयवायावः अट भौ व सूत्र is now bhava this is what we have got and then va the angasya akarasya आकारः भवति दीर्घः आदेशः भवति सूत्र is अतो दीर्घो यही form is ready next is u dhana mas u dhana shab dhana mas सूत्र Tatari shab came. Must sakara will disappear by nityangita. Next will be Sutra. सार्वधातुक अर्धधातुक भव म सूत्र नेक्स्ट आफ्टर HOYAVAYAVAH अट by लुंग रुंग पडुदात्तः भव भवा दीर्घ यही रेडी अभवाम तो अभवत अभवताम अभवन अभवः अभवतम अभवता अभवम अभवाव अभवा. Now this is lang lakara. Two types of lakaras are there. Some of them are nit, some of them are tit. How the lakaras are divided? They are divided into two groups. One is nit lakara, another is tit lakara. Lat, lut, lot, let, lut. These lakaras are tit lakaras because takara is it in there. Lung, ling, lung, lung. These lakaras are nit lakaras. Now, the nit karana and tit karana have their own prayojana. Why nakara is given as it, why takara is given as it, and Maharishi Panini will use that time to time. However, this nitva dharma is extended. This dharma is extended to some other lakaras, to some other pratyayas, time to time, for Vishishta Prayojan. Now we have seen that Nityang Nitaha Sutra does takara lopa for was and must. Tasthastamipan Tantantamaha, this sutra is also applied for Nitaha Lakarasya Chaturnam Tamadayaha Adeshasi. So Nitaha refers to Lakarasya. Lastya, that Lastya, Iptaji, Iptastam, Ibwasmas, that in that order it comes. Lakarasya sthane, kim syat, Iptaji, Iptasta, Ete Adeshasti. Then again, next is in that same order where the Lasya Anuvritti comes. Lasya, Nitaha, Tasthastamipan Tantantamaha. So Nitaha Lakarasya Etesham Chaturnam Pratyayanam Ete Chatvaraha Adeshaha Sihu Kramat. That is the meaning. So Tasthastamipan Tantantamaha, Nityang Nitaha, these two sutras are specifically applied to the Nit Lakaras. Okay? This Karya will happen to the Nit Lakara Adeshas. This is used in Lot Lakara as well. Okay. Now we will go to Lot Lakara back. For Lang Lakara in order, Lung Lang Lung Shododattaha. Okay. This is what we went. Anadyatane Lang, first sutra, Lang Vidhana happened. Then Lung Lang Lung Shododattaha, this sutra we applied at the end of the Prakriya. That's how in Paushpi it is done. Because in between, from the beginning, it is not required. Itascha, we removed the ikara. And this Nityang Nitaha Sutra is given by Kaumudikara before here. Before Anadyatene Lang, Nityang Nitaha is given here for the Lot Lakara Prakriya. And Tasthastamipan Tantantamaha Sutra is also given in the Lot Lakara Prakriya. Actually, it should come in the Lang Lakara or any Nit Lakara Prakriya, and then it can be taken for, or it should be taken for Lot Lakara. But Kaumudikara is going in the order of Lot, lut, lut, and then now he is in the lut, lit, then lut, and now lot he is doing. Lit and then lot he is doing. So that is order of a, I, U, R, R, A, O in the Maheshwara Sutra order. So that's why, because he has taken lot first, that's why he had to take this the Lang Lakara Sutras, though the Nit Lakara Sutras, to describe the lot Lakara first. Now we will go back here. Okay. This is where the sutra is doing the lot vidhana. Let's read this next sutra and then this 408 sutra. First Ling Lakara Vidhayaka Sutra we will read. विधि निमंत्रणा मंत्रणाधीष्ट संप्रश्न प्रार्थनेषु लिंग विधि निमंत्रणा मंत्रणाधीष्ट संप्रश्न प्रार्थनेषु लिंग विधि निमंत्रणा मंत्रणाधीष्ट संप्रश्न प्रार्थनेषु लिंग. Ling Lakara Vidhana is done in this sutra. Vidhi, Nimantrana, Amantrana, Adhishta, Samprashna, and Prarthana. In these all meanings, may the Ling Lakara come in front of Dhatu. So in the Dhatoho Adhikara, this sutra is read. So Dhatoho will be Adhikrita. So it will come in the sutra. So Dhatoho Vidhi, Nimantrana, Mantrana, Adhishta, Samprashna, Prarthaneshu, Artheshu, Eshu Artheshu, Ling Syat, Ling Bhavatu. That is the meaning. Eshu Artheshu, Dhatoho Lot. Sorry, Dhatoho Ling Syat. That is the meaning. Immediately after that, this is 61 sutra, this is 62. Let's read the sutra. Lot cha, lot cha, lot cha. So, in the same order, we can read sutra. Dhatoho vidhi nimantrana mantrana dhishta samprashna prarthaneshu ling syat lot cha syat. In these meanings, may ling come after dhatu. In these meanings, may lot also come. Now, this sutra will be read when Ling Lakara will come. But, and this Lotcha Sutra is taken directly. If we read just Lotcha Sutra, and Granthakara will say that Vidyadyartheshu dhatoho Lotsyat. So, Vidyadyartha, how will we understand? So, this is where we get the Vidyadyartha in the Ling Vidhayaka Sutra. What are these Vidyadyartha? Vidhi, Nimantrana, Amantrana, Adhishta, Samprashna, and Prarthana. This Vidhi is Preranam. Just main meaning of this all different vidhi, nimantrana, amantrana is pravartana. Pravartana means to make someone to do something. That is pravartana. Now it is of different types. So those different types are given different names and are mentioned. Vidhi preranam. Bhrutyadehe nikrushtasya pravartanam. Bhrutyadi, like servant, etc. We say that do this, do that. Nimantranam niyoga karanam. Avashyake shraddha bhojanadav davhitradehe pravartanam. Like there is a shraddha vidhi or some other vidhi, jataka, something. For that, we want to invite someone. That invitation, please come. That is called nimantrana. Amantrana is kamacharanudnya. Though nimantrana, once it is done, so that we have to do that. Amantrana, where we might be invited by someone, but still we will have option whether we should go or not. We have choice. In first nimantrana, we don't have choice. Second, we have liberty to not to choose or to choose. Adhishta satkara purvakaha vyaparaha. Like with honor, we are requesting someone. In these meanings, Ling Lakara is, then this Samprashna and Prarthana, these two meanings are also given. Samprashna is, we are asking some question for the guidance, whether I should read this or not. And then Prarthana, oh God, please pass me in the exam. So this is Prarthana. So these are the different meanings. In short, Granthakara is saying that Pravartanayam ling ityavastu vacham. Panini could have said just Pravartanayam ling instead of writing this much big sutra. So even Pravartana, all these meanings are covered in one word, that is Pravartana. At the end, through all these, we are just making someone to do something. So that is Pravartana. So in that ling lakara will happen. Why did Sutrakara explain these many, or why did specifically he mentioned this? So Prapanchartham, just for the clarity. Chaturnam Pruthavupadanam. Okay, Chaturnam Pruthavupadanam Prapanchartham. So these are the different meanings. In general, any kind of this is imperative mode. In that, ling lakara is used, lot lakara is also used. So either we can use lot lakara or we can use ling lakara. There are more meanings which will come. One is coming immediately after this. But more than these meanings are there, different contexts are there, where these two lakaras will be used. Are these meanings clear?
Yes, sir.
In short, any kind of request or any kind of command is covered by these two lakaras. Let's read next sutra. This sutra is also giving the meaning in which the ling lakara and lot lakara will come. Let's read. Ashifiling lotau, ashifiling lotau, ashifiling lotau. In the meaning of ashi, also the ling lakara and lot lakara come. In this, all this meaning, that is pravartana. In pravartana, ling lakara comes, lot lakara comes. In ashi also, ling lakara and lot lakara come. So ashi is also expressed by these two lakaras. What is ashi? So Kashirkar is giving explanation. Ashamsanam ashihi. Ashihi is Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachan. Ashihi is Pratama Vibhakti Ekvachan. What is ashi? Ashamsanam. Ashamsanam is what? Apraptasya iktasya arthasya praptum ichha. That which is not obtained, the desire to obtain that is called ashi. In that sense also, ling lakara and lot lakara will come. Now, lot lakara vidhana is done by Lotcha Sutra and Ashishi Ling Loto. Ashishi Ling Loto, single sutra is doing vidhana of ling and lot lakara. Lotcha Sutra only doing vidhana of lot lakara. Vidhini mantrana mantrana dekhasam prashna prarthana to ling is doing vidhana of ling lakara only. By these two sutra, Lotcha and Ashishi Ling Loto, we get lot lakara vihita after dhatu. So we can go here. Bhu. We are doing prakriya with Bhu. So, Bhu, Dhana, Lot. Lot came by Lotcha Sutra and Ashishi Ling Loto. First, we will do the prakriya. Okay, one clarity. Lot lakara, when it comes in these multiple meanings, vidhi, nimantrana, mantrana, adhishta, samprashna, prarthana. For all meanings, lot lakara forms will be same. Lot lakara forms will be same. When it comes to ashi, all lot lakara forms, same lot lakara forms will be used. For Prathama Purusha Ekvachana and Madhyama Purusha Ekvachana, we will get two forms, optional forms we will get. Either we can use the normal lot lakara form, or there is one more additional form that we can use. For rest of the forms, those are same for just normal lot lakara and ashir lot lakara. When it comes to ling, because ling also comes in the meaning of ashi. When ling comes in the meaning of ashi, there are 9 different forms for ashir ling and 9 different forms are there for pravartana ling, or the normal vidyadi ling, or it is called vidhi ling. So vidhi ling and ashir ling, ling is same, but once it is coming in Vidhyadi Artha, and once it is coming in Ashir Artha. When it comes in Vidhi Adi Artha, there are 9 different forms. When it comes in the Ashir Ling, then there are 9 different forms. Okay. For Lot Lakara, same 9 forms are used for Ashir Lot and normal Lot, Vidhi Lot. For Ling, for Vidhi Ling, 9 different forms, and Ashir Ling, different forms. That we have to remember. Only 2 additional forms or different forms we will find in the case of Lot Lakara for Ashir Lot. That we have to remember. Is this clear? Now, for now, we are taking Bhu Dhana Lot. This Lot we have brought in the sense of Vidhi. Okay? Vidhi. Lot we have brought in the sense of Vidhi. It is Kartrarthaka. Therefore, no. First, Lot will be replaced by Tip by Sutra Tiktaji. Next will be Kartrarthaka Sarvadhatuka Pratyay is there. So what will happen? Kartarishap. Yeah. Kartari Shap. Now, Bhu, Dhana A, Dhana T. This is where we are stopping. Some few sutras we need. We will read them in short and then we will do this prakriya. We have pratyayas Tip, Tas, Ji, Stip, Tas, Tha, Mip, Was, Mas. These are the pratyayas. This is where we are for now, and we are keeping the step. And then we are going ahead. Let's read some sutras. We'll read this sutra first. 412. Loto langvat, loto langvat, loto langvat, lotah langvat. Lotah षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन of lot lakara. What? Tamadayah. Okay. Lotah pratyayah. Lotah pratyayah. Langvat syuh. So the lot lakara, in other words, lot lakara is considered as lang lakara or like lang lakara. So whatever will happen to lang lakara will happen to lot lakara. So what had happened to lang lakara? This ikara had disappeared by itascha sutra. Nityangitaha, by nityangitaha sutra, the was and mas sakara had disappeared. That will disappear here. And tasthastamipantantan tamaha. Nitaha etesham chaturnam tantam ta ete adeshasyu. These adeshas had happened. Same thing will happen to lot lakara. Because now the langvat bhava is done to lot lakara. This is the atidesha sutra. Langvat bhava is extended to lot lakara. Okay. Lotah tamadayah salopascha. This is not the vritti. The real meaning of sutra is lot adeshas will be considered as lang adeshas. In other words, lot lakara will be considered like lang lakara. Lotah tamadayah salopascha syat. That is, apply the nityangitaha sutra and tasthastamipantantantamah. These two sutras will be applied in the case of lot lakara also. That is the meaning of, this is ashaya of Granthakara. So here we will do this. We will apply nityangitaha, was and mas sakara will disappear. Then tasthastamipantantantamah, tas will go, tam will come. Just a second. Laptop is running out of battery. I will put it on charge. This app is taking more battery. Tam. Ta will be replaced by ta.
Ta.
This MIP is supposed to get replaced by but there is some other sutra here also. And here also. These three, Kip, Sip and MIP, there is different karya. What is that karya? The ikara is supposed to disappear by sutra itascha. That sutra is not applied because there is apvada sutra for that. Let's read that sutra. This is the sutra. Eruhu, 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 ehe, uhu is the meaning. Ehe means ikara is declined. Shashti Bhakti Ekvachan is ehe. Ehe, uhu syat. Ehe, uhu syat. इकारस्य स्थाने उकारः स्यात्. कस्य इकारस्य स्थाने? तो लोट लकारस्य आदेशस्य इकारस्य स्थाने उकारः स्यात्. लोटः इकारस्य उः स्यात्. लोट ikara is this. Tip, T ikara is there. G ikara is there. Sip ikara is there. Mip ikara is there. Okay. Now everywhere this ikara is supposed to replace, but it will replace only tip ikara and G ikara. So that will become, tip will become 2. Here, actually first the anta happens by jhonta and then this ukara happens. Now for sip, there is one sutra. Let's read that sutra. This is the sutra. Let's read. Serhya picha, serhya picha, serhya picha, sehe, Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan, hi, sehe, hi, apit cha, sehe, hi, apit cha. He is Lupta Vibhakti ka. So he is actually in Prathama Vibhakti, but Vibhakti is not used in Sutra by Maharshi Panini. Sehe, Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan. In the place of C, C is declined, Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan, Sehe. In the place of C, what will come? He will come. He will come. This he, now the Sthanivad Adesho Nal Vidhav. The Adesha always happens, takes the dharma of Sthani. Sip is Pit Pratyaya. So the C, once it is replaced by he also would have become Pit. But by while doing Adesha itself, Maharshi Panini in the Sutra itself, he is mentioning, though it is coming in the place of Pit Pratyaya, it will be considered as Apit. He Adesha is coming in the place of Sip, which is a Pit Pratyaya. But this he, even though it is coming in the place of Pit Pratyaya, will be considered as Apit. So two things are done in this sutra. C is replaced by he, and that he will have apitva and not pitva. It is made apit. Why he is making apit, that we will see. But just we have to remember that he has come in the place of C in the lot lakara, and this he is no more pit, it is apit. So we'll go back. Here, SIP will be replaced by he. So C is replaced by he. Now MIP here, by tasthastamipan tantantamaha, was prapta. That will not happen. Rather, some other sutra is applied. This is the sutra 416. Let's read. Mer nihi, mer nihi, mer nihi, mehe nihisya, stehe hihisya, mehe nihisya. In the place of C, he will come. In the place of me, ni will come. Okay. Ni is not apit or something. Me is pit only. So, lotaha mehe nihisya. That is the meaning. Me will be replaced by me. Let's go back. Mip will be replaced by ni. Now, so far everything is clear?
Yes, Ji.
He and ni still have ikara. Lot lakara is considered like lang lakara. So, nitva dharma is there, or langtva dharma, atidesha has already happened. So, itascha sutra still will find the place to get applied in the case of he and ni. And ikara may disappear. Then other sutra is there, eruhu. No, eruhu sutra should be applied in the case of not lakara. So it will not disappear, ikara will be replaced by ukara. So he may become hu and ni nu. But that does not happen. Because uchcharana samarthya, that is the reason given by Granthakara, explanation given by Granthakara. Otherwise, Maharshi Paniniji would have done just ha adesha and na adesha, rather giving he and ni adesha. The very reason he is giving adesha as he and ni, that means eruhu sutra will not be applied here. But eruhu sutra was finding place to work in the case of he and ni. Kaumudikara gives explanation that if he expected he and ni, the ikara, to get replaced by ukara, he would not have mentioned them or the adesha as he and ni, rather he would have mentioned just ha and na. But he has not done. That means ikara of he and ni will remain as it is. Now, tu tam antu, he tam ta, ni wa ma. This is what pratyas we have got. The anga prakriya is same. Bhu and the shap akara. Bhu will become bhu and then au, hoyavayavaha. Bhavati, ti has turned into tu, so bhavatu, bhavatam, bhavantu, there the atoguni will take place.
What
And
is
here,
the reason? What is the reason why itascha didn't apply?
if itascha would have, इसको अंग्रेजी में कठिन जाने से, if at all itascha could find the place to get applied here, or if Maharshi Paniniji wanted itascha to get applied in these two cases, then he would have done adesha of ha and na, rather giving sehe he syat, mehe ni syat. He would have done that sehe sasya hasyat and nasya. So the very fact he is reading ha with e and na with e, that itself shows that no, ikara is required here and it will not get replaced by ukara, or it will not disappear by itascha. Uchcharana samarthya, that is the reason. Clear? One more sutra is there that we need, and then pratyas will be siddha. Here. Let's read the sutra. Aduttamasya picca, aduttamasya picca, aduttamasya picca. At uttamasya picca. Lot lakarasya uttama purushasya pratyayanam at agamah sya is the meaning. The pratyas of lot lakara uttama purusha will get at agama. So the bhu, shap, ni, bhu, shap, va, bhu, shap, ma. All these will become bhu, shap, at, ni, bhu, shap, at, va, bhu, shap, at, ma. At only akara will remain, takara will disappear. Halantyam tasya lopah. So the pratyayas will become ani, ava, ama. Ani, ava, ama. Now, in that sutra, Sutrakara is saying at uttamasya. Lot uttamasya at syat, at agama syat. Such a pith, and that agama is pith, or it should be considered as pith. No, at is not pith, at is pith. It is not pith. But still, the pitva dharma is given to this art. So this pitva atidesha is done to this art agama. Originally, it does not have pakara as it, so it is not pith. But this pitva dharma is passed to it. So this current sutra is Vidhi Sutra, plus it is giving some kind of atidesha also. Okay. So atidesha is also there, and this Vidhi is also there. Okay. So at agama will happen, and it will have pitva dharma. Here, what we have to remember is, in the case of this ani, like ni, ekvachana pratyaya, this ni has come in the place of mip. Mip was pith. In the place of mip, ni came. Whatever the dharmas mip had are passed to ni. That is new adesha. So ni is also considered as pith. This art which is brought to this ni is also pith. Even this pitva was not given to art in the case of ekavachana pratyaya. Still, this art together would have got pitva dharma. Just simply getting connected with ni, because ni already have pitva dharma. And agama, when it happens to any agami or sthani, whatever dharmas of sthani are there are passed to that, because it becomes avayava of that sthani. So here really this pitva is not having any importance. In the case of va and ma, Dvivachana and Bahuvachana Pratyaya, this pitva is required. Okay. Why it is required, that you will see in the next class. But for that, pitva is required for va and ma Pratyaya. One more thing, this he, we have seen, he has come in the place of pit Pratyaya, but it does not have pitva dharma, it is apit. Ne has come in the place of pit Pratyaya, and it has pitva dharma. At agama is done to uttama purusha, all pratyayas, and this at agama has pitva dharma. This much we have to remember. And now prakriya will take place. Here we were. Bhu dhana, a dhana. T will become 2. Sutra is the first sutra. Erhu. Then bho dhana, a dhana, 2. सार्वधातुकार्थ धातु कल्लोः भव अ तु हेतु यवा यावः भवतु भू धन भू धन तस् shap na tas. Shap will come by kartari shap. We are assuming that Loto Langvat Sutra is applied. therefore tasthastamipantantantamah sutra will apply directly. Tam. Tasthastamipantantantamah. Bodhana adhana tam. Bhau dhana adhana tam. Tam. Bodhana adhana. I think we'll see that. So should we stop there, Swamiji?
Yeah.
We'll see the forms in next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Hari Om.
Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.